Introducing the pink 20-volt cordless drill set from WORKPRO. This high-performance drill boasts 203 inch-pounds of torque, powered by a rechargeable 1.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. It features dual-speed settings, a 21-position adjustable clutch, and a 3/8 inch keyless chuck. The soft grip handle and trigger switch are designed for comfort and control when operating, and the LED light provides bright illumination to the work area for added safety and visibility. An attachable clip adds the ability to hang the drill on a pocket or work belt, and the magnetic base provides a handy spot to store bits or screws. The drill, charger, and included bit set conveniently store in the included lightweight storage bag. All in all, this drill set provides the necessities for drilling holes and driving fasteners for all your do-it-yourself projects for years to come. WORKPRO.
Through tough jobs with the CRAFTSMAN V20 20-volt max 2-tool kit. This dynamic duo includes a cordless drill and a cordless impact driver. The drill driver is designed with a powerful motor and a 2-speed gearbox for handling different tasks. The impact driver provides plenty of torque for heavy-duty fastening, and it also allows for one-handed bit changes. Both tools are designed with contoured handles and built-in LED lights, plus 2 V20 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries with state-of-charge indicators and a storage bag are included for complete convenience. Take your home improvement game to the next level with the V20 20-volt max 2-tool kit, part of the CRAFTSMAN V20 system. CRAFTSMAN, we build pride. Tackle your tough tasks effortlessly with the CRAFTSMAN V20 20-volt max half-inch drill driver kit. The motor produces 280 unit watts out, offering plenty of power. A 2-speed gearbox allows for torque control in drilling and fastening applications, while a half-inch keyless chuck makes it easy to change bits. It includes an LED light that helps provide illumination in dark work areas, as well as a V20 20-volt max lithium-ion battery with an LED state-of-charge indicator. And when you're finished, it stores conveniently within reach. Whatever the job is, do it right with the V20 20-volt max half-inch drill driver kit, part of the CRAFTSMAN V20 system. CRAFTSMAN, we build pride.
The BOSCH 11255 VSR 1-inch SDS Plus Bulldog Xtreme rotary hammer is built for tough applications in concrete, steel, and wood. This rotary hammer features 7.5 amps and 0 to 1300 RPM and 0 to 5800 BPM. A multifunction selector offers 3 operation modes: rotary hammer, rotation only, and hammer only. Vari-lock positioning rotates and locks the chisel into 36 positions to optimize the working angle. A patented rotating brush plate provides equal power in forward and reverse. And a variable speed trigger with reversing action offers accurate bit starting as well as removing fasteners or bound bits. An integral clutch disengages torque transmission if the bit gets bound up. The SDS Plus bit system offers toolless bit changes with automatic bit locking, dust protection, and maximum impact energy transfer. The 11255 VSR D-handle design is ideal for overhead and downward drilling applications. A patented cord turret features a 35-degree pivot for added flexibility and longer cord life. The BOSCH hammer hook allows for quick tool storage during the job. The BOSCH 11255 VSR delivers on the performance promise of all BOSCH rotary hammers: toughness, quality, and reliability combined with innovation. So this is the BOSCH 11255 VSR 1-inch SDS Plus Bulldog Xtreme rotary hammer.